Nagsimula sa gitgitan.
China Coast Guard, this is Philippine Coast Guard. You are within Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. We are conducting marine scientific research activity. Please keep clear of us.
Nauwi sa harangan hanggang magbanggaan. Di nagpatalo ang mga Pilipino.
We are conducting marine scientific research. Please do not interfere.
Ang engkwentrong ito ng mga rubber hull inflatable boat o RIB ng China Coast Guard at Philippine Coast Guard nangyari noong Martes, June 4 sa Escoda Shoal, na kilala rin bilang Sabina Shoal. Mahigit 70 nautical miles lang ang layo sa Palawan.
This is China Coast Guard. This is China Sea. New here immediately. New here.
China Coast Guard, this is Philippine Coast Guard. You are within Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone.
Nagsimula ang iringan ng subukang pigil